Welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to do something different. This weekend, I didn't have much time for making a video for my weekly tips, tests and tutorials, so I thought we should try something else. I stumbled across a very interesting concept called subscriber shoutout. Is it you? And of course, when I saw that thumbnail, I had to click it. I had to figure out if I was one of the ones that were being shouted out. I was not in that case, but still I found the concept pretty interesting and something that I want to explore here on this channel. The motivation behind the video, as far as I could understand, was that smaller channels in the drone community should support each other. That made me think that this concept could also work here on the channel, and that would be a great way for me to give something back to you that have decided to support my channel. So what do you think about that idea? Let me know by either giving the video a like or leave a comment below, or do both. I will pick 2 subscribers to shout out, and the choice will be mine alone and not influenced by people begging for being shouted out in the comments below. My choice will be based on your engagement in my videos, or what you in general are doing for the drone community, or just because I like you or the content that you produce. So keep on watching to the end of this video to see if you have been picked. I will add links to your channels in both the cards, the description and the end screen. That will make it easy for the rest of you to go check it out. If you like this kind of content, we could do this maybe 1 or 2 times a month. And I think it will be a great addition to the content on the channel, as there are many channels that produces some really cool content regardless of the channel size. First subscriber shout out goes to Ryan Ingleton. And it was actually through his video that I got the inspiration of making my own version of this. I started talking to Ryan a while back when he reached out to me and asked for advice how to make thumbnails for his channel. If he took the advice or not, that's up to you to decide when you visit his channel. Ryan is a father to 4, and right now his project with YouTube is showing his 4 kids that it's okay to put yourself out there. His channel is about flying drones, motocross, and in general having fun with technology, and I can easily relate to that. Right now, Ryan is a Mavic Mini pilot. Show him some support and check out his channel through this card or through the link in the description below if it doesn't show up here. It sometimes doesn't do that. The second one I'm going to shout out in this video is also from Down Under. And the first time I encountered this person was actually through a live stream where there was this odd looking steampunk MC dude waving around a plastic skeleton on a 4-hour live stream, just sitting chilling out to some cool tunes on his channel with his live audience. This was a real what the f moment because it was so odd, but I kept hanging around and started engaging in the discussions, and it was really encouraging and really fun to be a part of, and I kept going back next week when he did another live stream. So it was a cool experience to experience that kind of community going on Down Under. And you might probably already have guessed who I'm talking about, and that is my mate Icebike. Icebike is such a great person. He's just encouraging everybody in his community to back up each other. Icebike is flying a Ferrari Red Mavic Pro while he's riding his amazing trike motorcycle around and about Australia. A trike is a special variation of a motorcycle that has 1 front wheel and 2 rear wheels. It has been really fun to follow his progress over the last period of time where he has improved his live studio a lot. And also lately Icebike picked up filmmaking, so it'd be really exciting to see what he can crank out. Icebike, if you watch this, then feel free to link one of your live streams in the comments below. In the meantime, there's a link for his channel through this card or in the description below, or when we get to the end screen. Should we do more of these subscriber shoutouts? Then let me know in the comment below. And if you want to be considered for one of my subscriber shoutouts, then make sure to engage in general below my videos. And if you not already are, then you need to be a subscriber as well. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you around.